Sesame!
Bless you.
Pentacle! What was it?
And my best friend Alex is coming to help. Last year's party was hard to beat. There was more food than I've ever seen. All kinds. I got to try things I've never tasted before. And everything was fantastic. Speaking of food, I was starving. And it sounds like mine is coming up ready.
Wonderful!
It looked like Julian was running on empty too.
I get it.
Again.
I was running
You
on
put
food. But where did it all go? I sure had plenty of energy yesterday.
You used it up, just like a car uses up its fuel.
So food was good for my body. Right.
Your body needs food in order to live and grow. That's what we call nutrition.
And the things I do take energy and use up the fuel.
Right again. That's called exercise. Together, nutrition and exercise help keep our bodies healthy and fit. Everything we do, walking, running, skating, doing homework, even laughing, uses up energy. And when we eat food, we gain energy, so we can work harder and our bodies function better. That's because all foods have nutrients, the things we need to stay healthy. But our bodies need a balance of nutrients to be their best. Different foods contain different kinds of nutrients, so it's important to eat foods that give our bodies the right balance.
Nutrients. Sounds kind of like nutrition.
You just said a mouthful. Our bodies need all sorts of nutrients to stay healthy, and nutrition is all about how we get those nutrients from the food we eat. There are 6 kinds of nutrients, and you need all 6 to stay healthy. Ready? Here they are. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. When we give our bodies the right balance of nutrients, along with the right amount of exercise, we feel better, work harder, and have more fun.
The right balance of nutrients and exercise. Got it. And speaking of nutrients, I've got breakfast to eat.
Think about this. During the course of your lifetime, you will eat enough food to almost fill 2 huge trucks. And you'll drink enough water to fill a swimming pool.
Whoa!
The nutrients you get from the foods you eat do all kinds of fantastic things for your body. They not only keep your body going, they also keep it growing.
Nutrients do all that?
You bet. And now, ladies and gentlemen, presenting our first nutrient, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy, and they're in many of the foods we eat. Most carbohydrates come from plants such as vegetables, fruits, and grains. There are 2 main types of carbohydrates, sugars and starches. You probably think of sugar as just the sweet stuff you enjoy so much. But not all foods that contain sugars are sugary sweet. Sugars can also be found in fruits and vegetables, even in foods that don't taste sweet at all. Sugars are digested very quickly, so your body uses them for quick energy. Starches are really bundled up packages of sugar that your body must first unpack before it get at the sugar it needs. We get starches from a variety of foods, including pasta, potatoes, as well as bread and cereal made from grains like rice and wheat. Unlike the sugars we get from sweet things and fruit, which give you quick energy, starches give you long-lasting energy to help you think, play, and work all day long.
Try this. Here's a way to tell if foods contain starches. You'll need foods to test like potatoes, cheese, apple slices, and bread, and a plate. You'll be using iodine with help from an adult. So wear protective clothing. Iodine can stain your clothes and can be harmful if you swallow it or get it in your eyes. When iodine comes in contact with a starch, it turns black. So it should be easy to see which of these foods contain starch. Make a list of the foods and predict whether or not each one contains starch. Place a sample in the dish. An adult can put 1 drop of iodine on the food. Did the iodine turn black? Record what you observe. Do the same for each of the foods. Did you guess which foods contain starch? Did any of the foods surprise you?
Now let me get this straight. The sugar in an orange does the same job as the sugar in a candy bar?
That's right. And the starch in a slice of bread or a potato does the same job too, only it takes longer to do it. Remember that the key to being healthy and feeling good is to eat a balance of foods. You really need both starches and sugars. By eating the right balance of nutrients, you have enough energy to get you through the whole day.
What's the next nutrient?
Well, it's possibly the most misunderstood of all the nutrients. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats are a source of energy for our bodies. Fats are found in food like meat, cheese, butter, and oils. There are also fats in nuts and even in some vegetables.
Now let me think. What foods had I eaten recently that contain fats? Yesterday I had waffles and a glass of milk for breakfast, a turkey sandwich for lunch, and spaghetti for dinner. Not much fat there, right?
Not quite. The waffles had butter on it. Milk, unless it's skim milk, has fat. Even the turkey from your sandwich had some. And that's not counting the mayonnaise, which has a lot of fat in it. The spaghetti had meatballs on it, right? They have fat too. And let's not forget party foods like chips.
But these are made of potatoes, right? Don't potatoes have lots of carbohydrates?
That's right. But potato chips are fried in oil, which is all fat. The chips soak up the oil, so they have a lot of fat in them. Check it out. You put a bunch of chips in a paper bag and leave it overnight. You'll get an idea of how much fatty oil they contain. It's the same with all fried foods.
So I guess we should stop eating those foods.
That's the part that's misunderstood. It's not the fats that are a problem. It's the way people eat them. Remember, fats are nutrients. That means
That our bodies need fats to be healthy.
yes, but only in the right balance with all the other nutrients we need. Fats have a very special job to do in our bodies. For starters, did you know that you have an energy fat in your body? That's right, your body stores energy for when you might need it later. Kind of like you might save up your money for when you want to buy something. And your body stores this energy as fat. It's really there as a backup in case we ever run out of carbohydrates. Fats do other important jobs in your body too. They provide an extra layer underneath your skin to help hold in heat and keep you warm. And they provide a layer of padding around the important parts of your body, protecting them from injury. Fats even help your brain grow.
So fats are good for you.
They are, but the key is balance. If a person eats more fats than the body needs, those fats just keep getting stored away, and that can result in the person being overweight. The trick is to eat fats in moderation. And let's not forget exercise. That helps you work off any excess fat your body has accumulated.
My energy supply is running low. I don't know where I'm going to get the energy I need to finish getting ready for the party.
I do. It's called lunch. And a good lunch has plenty of proteins. Proteins are the building blocks for most of your body. Let's see, that includes your skin, your muscles, your lungs, your stomach and kidneys and liver and even your hair. Is there anything else? Oh yes, your brain. Proteins come from lots of foods. Meats, fish, nuts, beans, and dairy products such as milk, cheese, and eggs. While you are busy burning up carbohydrates and fats, your body is still growing thanks to proteins. And if your body runs out of carbohydrates and fats, it will actually start burning protein for energy.
The simple truth is, you just gotta have protein from one kind of food or another. And many countries, people get the proteins they need from meats and fish. But in places where meat is not eaten very often, people eat lots of things to get the proteins they need.
So we covered three nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. What's next?
Get ready for vitamins and minerals. Without vitamins and minerals, your body wouldn't be able to use all the other nutrients we have mentioned: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins.
They sound important.
They are. First, vitamins. Human bodies need many different kinds of vitamins, and we get them from many different kinds of foods. Vitamin A is important for healthy skin and eyes. It's found in milk, eggs, and vegetables like carrots. Vitamin B keeps your blood and nerves healthy. We get it from liver, fish, milk, eggs, carrots, and dark green leafy vegetables.
Bye-bye.
Vitamin C helps your body fight off colds and heal when it's injured. It's found in green and red peppers, collard greens, broccoli, spinach, tomatoes, potatoes, strawberries, oranges, and other citrus fruits. Vitamin D gives you strong bones and teeth and keeps your heart beating steadily. You can get vitamin D from milk, eggs, butter, and even just from being outside in the sun. Minerals are substances that come from non-living things that do important jobs in healthy bodies, like helping to heal cuts, build bones and muscles, and keep brains thinking.
Now hold on. Do you mean minerals like the kind you find in rocks?
That's right, but since we don't eat rocks, people get minerals by eating foods that have minerals in them. For example, we get zinc from eating meats, seafood, eggs, and green vegetables. Zinc helps us grow and stay healthy. Calcium from milk and eggs builds strong bones and helps our heart, muscles, and nervous system work properly. Sodium and iodine from table salt are important in small amounts to help keep our blood flowing smoothly. Iron from meats, nuts, and raisins help the body produce red blood cells. Even your breakfast cereal probably has minerals added to it. Some vitamins and minerals can be stored in our bodies to use whenever we need them, but others can't be stored. So it's important that our bodies get a new supply of vitamins and minerals every day.
So that's what vitamin pills are all about. They give you a little bit of each kind of vitamin and mineral you need every day.
It's really just an easy way to make sure we get the vitamins we need. The amount of vitamins and minerals the body needs is tiny compared to other nutrients. For instance, the amount of the mineral iodine we need in a day is no bigger than a 1%.
151.
Vitamins and minerals
150.
sure pack a powerful punch. We have been setting up all afternoon and my throat is really dry. I could go for a tall, refreshing glass of water.
Ah, that brings us to the last nutrient on our list.
Water! How did I do?
You could say you made a splash. Did you know that your body is made mostly of water? In fact, water is so essential that you can live longer without food than you can without water. Water helps dissolve other nutrients so you can digest them and get them into your body. Water carries away waste and helps to control your body temperature. Just about every function of your body depends on water. We need to drink about 8 glasses each day just to keep our bodies working properly. We get water the